Hello, everybody. How are you feeling today? Okay, good. So, may I ask you a question, sir? What do you think is the best time of the year?
A vacation?
Sorry?
Vacation.
Vacation?
A holiday.
Oh, a holiday, thank you. So that is also the topic of our group, holidays and festival. So as you can see that the holiday is coming and to talk a bit about myself, I'm a global citizen and I'm lucky to have my fair share of time traveling around the world, picking up all the good things. But honestly, the things that is closest to my heart that I hold really dear is the Tết holiday. It's a homecoming event. So Tết is actually quite familiar to most of us. So Tết is the beginning of the traditional holiday, the beginning of the Lunar New Year, where all families and will go back to our home country, hometown, to gather around, eat good food, and in this very vibrant and cozy atmosphere. And one thing that set Tết holiday of the Vietnamese people out from the other Lunar New Year observation around the world is actually the food. Well, the food is actually really hard to ignore, and people look forward to the holiday to enjoy like really mouth-watering cuisines, for example, bánh chưng and others. And one of the special things that we do is we exchange lucky money in red envelopes. I think that you've all seen that. Okay, and to bore you no more, we're going to the next holiday. So by looking at this, what do you think it represents? Sorry for the really chaotic posture because we don't have much time. This is actually a worm. So this is a really unique holiday in Vietnam that I think no other countries observe. This is the Purification Day, which takes place on the 5th of May in lunar calendar. Purifications, because the traditional Vietnamese people think that through all the food we eat, we actually absorb some amount of parasites and worms in our body. So in this holiday, we're going to purify our body with certain amount of food, for example, fermented rice infused with alcohol, to cleanse our body from the inside. So that we can become really clean for the holiday, for the whole year. Okay, so my friend 𝐏𝐨𝐬𝐬 will talk about the other holidays as well.
Thank you. And although we are living in Vietnam, right, we still enjoy the Western holidays and festivals such as Halloween and Christmas, because Vietnam is an open-minded nation, like the name of our workshop today, Open Doors. Yeah. And for Halloween, young generation, we dress up like every character that we want, such as witch or gods. But at this time, special time that we give the chart together, that we gonna dress up like our ex. And at this time, we are also go for trick or treat for candies, and I think it's a special time to that we can enjoy the spooky time together with our friends. And for Christmas, we can decorate lines, ornaments, or Christmas trees, and we spend time with our families, enjoy the dinner together, and we can also exchange gifts together because I think it's symbolize the love we give each other. And and I think that no matter it's Western or Eastern holidays and festivals, I think all holidays and festivals is the time for us, the special time that for us to spend quality time with our families and friends in such a busy world nowadays.
And finally, in this holiday species, we want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!